welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a try on of some Amazon lashes or lashes that I got from Amazon. These are called Eyelash Evolution. Eyelash Evolution. So they come in a variety of different, they only have two styles, but they have different lengths. So they have anywhere between 10 millimeters all the way up to 16 millimeters. They have natural looking ones and then they have volumized ones. They do sell two kits for $15.99 that come with the glue, the tool, this little tool kind of thing, and then they have the lashes. I did not pick that up because I have so much glue that I was like, hey, I'll just use the glue that I have on hand because I have glue from other companies. I just picked up the lashes, but I do have a ton of glue. So I'm just gonna use some of the glue that I got from the Kiss things. So I like that. And then I'm also going to be using the Lashify, the pointy end to stack the lashes. So in full disclosure, I have already used these because I ran out of a certain size because the last lashes video that I didn't work out, or they only worked for a couple days. They were very, very voluminous and I was like, nope, I've got to go more natural. So I really, really like these. These come in, I've got the 10 and then I got the 12 volume. So the 10 natural, the 12 volume. I don't know why I kind of mix and match, but my whole thought process was I usually put the 10s right here. So I don't necessarily want it to be a little bit thicker, but the volume I like here. And I really, really like the look that I got. It was very natural, but today I'm gonna try to stack them and get a little bit more va-va-voom look. So that's good. It's $6.99 for these. It comes in 12, it has 12 little clusters is what they call them. And they're super, super soft. So to me, these probably with the price and how soft they are probably my favorite affordable one. I still really do like the Lilac Street because, and I just ordered brand new, but I just ordered something from them because they had a new lash that hit. So I was very excited about that. But I still do like Lashify because of the versatility. But these are definitely becoming quickly my favorite affordable lashes. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take them out. The other thing that I absolutely love about them, and if you guys follow my channel or you watch any other of my videos, I'll link all the lash videos down below. So if you are interested in any of them, definitely check out the description box below because I'll have some of my other ones. But one thing that I always complain about is a lot of the affordable brands have the little glue mechanism where you have to pull it off. And if you watch my last Amazon lash video, I ruined like half of them. What I love about these is there's no glue. There's literally, they come in these little things. I mean, and they're boom right there and you don't have to peel glue off of them. You just lay them out and you go. And it's like, holy crap, I can't believe. And look how, I mean, this is super cheap. I'm fine with that because I don't have to worry about the lashes being ripped or the glue being there or whatever. So hands down, like, holy crap, this is amazing. So normally what I do when I go to do my lashes, I kind of set them out, but because they're already in these trays, I can just grab and go. So I just kind of put them there. I'm gonna go in with the Kiss glue, the Bond, and I'm gonna do one lash at a time, or not lash, but one eye at a time. So normally what I do is I do one eye at a time because I feel like my eyes, though they look somewhat similar, they are very similar. They are not exactly the same. So this eye will take more lashes than this eye will. And so what I always do when I first got into lashes, I was doing like 1-1 because I felt like I needed to have them perfectly the same. And then I found like this one looked fabulous and this one looked all just like a completely different eye look. And so what I found was I'll do this eye first and then I'll do this eye. It will have a different mapping, but I'll just kind of try to make them look similar. So that's a tip that I have picked up along the way, that they're not perfect. The other thing I absolutely love is this little Lashify doohickey thing. So I'm gonna go in, I am using, my videos all over the place because I'm using Lashify this, I'm using Kiss this, I'm using these Amazon things, I'm using this Lilac Street little doohickey thing. This is my favorite one because it has a longer kind of edge here, but it doesn't, the Lashify and the Kiss ones kind of have a more curved edge. And I always end up, when I go to fuse, I always end up getting my eyelid in it and it hurts really, really bad. So this is the one that I found that I like the most, where I do that less. So I'm gonna take out the lash. You can see here, it has, I mean, they're very, very soft. They're not like plasticky feeling, but the band is really, really small. The other tip that I would give, it's so easy to go in and try to go in as soon as possible with the glue because you're afraid that it's going to dry. It takes a while for it to really dry. You want it to get it tacky. So if the lash goes on without you having to like really push it in, then you know it's tacky enough. And sometimes I do get glue on here, and that's why I always keep like a little washcloth and I just kind of go and get it off, and then that way there's no glue left on it. So I'm probably gonna do 110 there, and then I'm gonna go in with the 12 millimeter. And these 12 volume that I found, or that are on here, they have like, they're kind of three-dimensional. So they're kind of fluffy, which I really, really like. So they're a little bit thicker, they're a little bit darker, and then they have dimension to them. So you can see here, I have just a little bit right there. So I'm gonna have to overlap them, which is fine. This is where I like the Lashify glue the best because it has this little pointy thing. I feel like this glue is the best for stacking. And I just put a dollop there, and I'll put a little bit right there. Sometimes, especially because it's a little bit thicker, I'll just take it and put it on the spine of the lash. That way it just really creates that bond. Just a little bit, not too much. So what I'll do is I'll do this second eye, and then I'll come in and I will go ahead and stack here with more of the 10s because it's a little sparse, like it's more heavy on the ends. But I'll let that kind of dry, and then I'll go in and do this one. And that's the other benefit of going kind of bouncing back and forth, is by the time I get done with this one, I'm ready to stack on that one. And I feel like stacking is really the key to increasing the longevity. I feel like when I don't stack, then that's when I feel like, especially the inner corner, they will start falling off sooner. The other thing that you need to keep in mind when you're, like if you're first starting out, play with the wand and kind of get it to where you think you need it. I put this one on, or I hold the wand differently on this side than I do with this side because I've got my nose right there. I have another element that I have to work through. So just really spend time playing with the wand and what makes sense, because it's going to change for each eye. And I always like to try to kind of either set my hand somewhere so I have a little bit more stability. See, like that one, I put a little bit too close to my waterline, so it's kind of tweaking. I can feel just a little bit of like, So I'm gonna pull it off and do it again, because it should never feel pinchy or uncomfortable. And if it does, then you probably have it too close to your waterline and you need to pull it off, because it will not get any better. It will only get worse, and that it'll be super, super annoying. That one doesn't want to stick. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this and put it there. So that one's drying. I'm gonna go in and stack up these. So I'm just gonna put a little bit there. And then when I stack, I always put like a dollop on my eye, and then I always go into the spine and I put some on the spine. That way I just really get good bond. You don't need much, just a little bit. So I'm gonna go in and stack here. I've got one more little volume one, and I think I might put it on the end just to make it even, because I think this one's a little bit fuller. But I really, in all honesty, wish I had a little bit more volume because I would buff this up a little bit more, but I don't. So we're just gonna go with it. I think I'm gonna put the extra one over here. There we go. So that is it. That is the final lash look. So like I said, I wish I had something a little bit there, but I might go in and throw some other lashes on from another set. But that's all I have of these here. I just really do like them. I feel like they're super affordable. They're super, super soft. They feel great. The band is really, really little. It has a very little band. It's not a super thick band, so it's super, super comfortable. And I love the fact that they're prime because I could get them here, you know, with the Lashify and Lil Extreme and all the other ones. It does take a little bit for shipping. So the benefit of having Amazon lashes is if you're a Prime member and they're on Prime, then you get them in the 2 days. So if you do have a special event coming up, I definitely would recommend you checking out these. Like I said, they have the different lengths. They do have volume versus natural. You know, they can just be stacked and customize the way that you want it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you have any questions below. Until next time, bye.